Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3 and day 3 of my first lighting design for the little mini festival. And today's job is going to be today is the last time that I have before the show tomorrow. And the installation runs from 11 AM to 3 PM. So the first job is to take down this white curtain type thing, drape, because there was a venue hire and they didn't want to show, I'll show you. They were like filming in here and they didn't want to show all this crap. So yeah, I'm gonna go take this all down now and I'll see you when this is completed. Hey everyone, so sorry yesterday I got a bit distracted, so I haven't really been able to give you an update. But essentially, I'm just gonna power this console on. So we're using the Jan's Vista i3 console, which is very interesting. It's a bit problematic sometimes, but yeah. You can't see anything at the moment in the space. But once this console fires up, I will show you what we've been up to yesterday. So you can see how I've like placed these little, there's one there as well, but they're little LED par cans from China. They're not DMX together because they don't work with DMX very well. It's like if you put them at 100%, they're at 0%. If you put them at 0%, they're at 100%. They're very odd. So with this, I've actually inserted the lighting plan, like the lighting grid. So I can then go, I don't know if these are gonna work, no. But, so like you select a group and then you bring it up with an encoder. Oh, someone turned the dimmers off. Oh, so this is the 3-phase power into the dimmer racks here. And then this is the hot power for the LEDs and the lighting desk and stuff like that. So I'll take you back around now. Oh yeah, this is the theatre space. The theatre in the day. So we'll be doing some things in here as well later on. But yeah. Here we go, now they're on. The dimmers are on now. Alrighty, so I can come over here and show you the rest. So I can like bring up the film table lights over here. Then I'm gonna bring up the, like these boards over here, which have all our lighting design paperwork and stuff. I'll show you a full tour of the space later on. Then we've got our tech tables, which are here, along here. And everything is controlled individually on the dimmer, because why not? Because we have 24 channels of dimming, so that's pretty good. And the LEDs up there. Oh, we've also got a Hazer. Can't forget about the Hazer. There's a Hazer back here. But we've got to turn her on to heat up first. I place the fan in front of it. And we're also using the Midas M12, sorry. It's a really small version of the Midas M32. And with this one, you can either control it via an iPad, which I have with me, or you can control it with the software on the computer, which is what I'm doing. So yeah. I'll take you on a tour of the space later on once I've finished everything. Don't you just love turning up in the morning and that your TV's cracked?